In this Automate training video, we'll be exploring limited slip differentials, including clutch type, cone type, viscous type, and torque sensing LSDs. Here's a preview of some of the great content you can expect in this module.
Cone type limited slip differentials operate in a similar manner to clutch plate types. They utilise two conical shaped cones and a matching surface in the differential case. The cones and the side gears of the differential are both splined to the axle shafts. Coil springs are used to push the cones against the differential case to provide the friction contact. More friction is applied to the cone as load is placed on the side gears, because the teeth tend to push away from each other and force the side gears against the cone. This forces the cones harder against the differential case to prevent normal differential action and reduces wheel slip. Similar to the clutch type limited slip diff, it requires an amount of force like turning a corner to break this friction so the differential gears can rotate at different speeds.
So if you're ready to take your knowledge and training to the next level, why not subscribe to Automate Training today? Visit automatetraining.com to change the way you think about training.